on him.
Don't tighten on that drag anymore.
No, he's not. Just keep your tip up.
I'm gonna feel that drag. Hang on.
Take it in line.
We can make it a group effort if you need to give up.
I told him if he puts that end of that pole down by his crotch, he can judge the tension on him. Always peel in line. Peel in line hard, too. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. He's running it. Start winding, start winding, start winding. 3 o'clock. We're making it again. Hold it.
Try to keep that tip up, Hunter.